So when you're ready to save your image, just go to File and Save. And what it's doing now is it's actually going to save back into your Lightroom. And it will take a while. Okay, so if I go to Lightroom, what you're going to find is a copy of, that's the original, but that's before Photoshop, and that's after. Okay, so I've kind of changed the feel and the mood. It actually looks a lot warmer than I want it to. So sometimes it's good to go back and compare. I don't like it so warm. Okay, I'm gonna go back. And you can, I could go back and change it as well. But once you're ready and you're happy, you can click on your Photoshop file, and once again, you go to File, Export. Obviously, I'm not going to do that. I'll put, you have been exporting to your pictures. I'll just pick pictures. But I'm actually going to ask you to resize to fit, and your longest edge should be, change that to pixels, and change this to 2000 pixels for me. And we're going to change the image to JPEG, so it's easier for me to look at, and then you can export. Okay, if you've done all three, you can actually just click on the images that you want to export, and then File, and let's say I've already done that again, I can click on Export with Previous again, and it'll go to a different spot. So that's just a general overview of how to work with Photoshop. Bye for now.